I hope you are safe at home. It is a very pleasure to see you again. 6th class students, up to now in 5th class, you studied EVS was one of the subject. In EVS, both social and science are as one of the subject, but here social is different subject and science is different subject. In the coming to the science, our first lesson name is our food. Our food. We all know that food which gives us energy. Our food. If I ask any one of you, what is your favorite food? Means what you will say? I like payasam, I like chicken curry, I like biryani. Someone says I like sweets. I like someone says some students says I like hot. You different persons have different food items, different favorite food items you having, but you don't know with which materials these foodies or your favorite food items are prepared. You don't know about that, which materials are needed or are needed to prepare my favorite food. You don't know about that. In this class we are going to learn how can we prepare our favorite food items. What are the ingredients present in the favorite food items? First of all, you should learn what are ingredients. What are ingredients? Here, ingredient means materials are required. Materials which are required to prepare food. That means if we are preparing any food items means in that food items what are the materials we are using to prepare the food, they are said to be ingredients. Children, again I am saying here ingredients means what are the materials required to prepare food. For example, if you take payasam. In the payasam, what are the ingredients we are going to use? Milk, semia, sugar, cashew, ilachi. These are the materials we are using for the preparation of payasam, isn't it? That means these all materials are called as ingredients. Now you observe that all these items or all these materials together are called as ingredients. Ingredients means the materials which are required to prepare the food. They are said to be ingredients. Here we are going to discussing about if I ask you chicken curry, what are the ingredients in the chicken curry means what you will say? What are the ingredients used in the chicken curry means? Yes, you are right. First of all, chicken. Next, chili powder. Next, salt. Next, ginger garlic paste. Onions. These are the main ingredients. That means with these ingredients only we can prepare our favorite food item chicken curry, isn't it? Yes. Next, observe from where these sources of from where these ingredients are coming. What are the sources from where these ingredients are presented? How can we know? That means here one that ingredients are the whether they are obtained from plants or they are obtained from animals and they are obtained from others. How can we say that? For example, let me ask you some questions. If in these questions, who give us food, whether plants or animals? How the ingredients came, whether from the plants or animals? We are making a delicious foods, isn't it? Delicious items, our favorite delicious items we are making as a food. From where these items or materials came? How can we know that? Whether they are came from plants, whether they are from sources of animals or they source of others. How can we say that? For example, cooking oil. Cooking oil is a source of plant or animal. That means cooking oil is obtained from plants or animals or others. Come on, say. Yes, you are right. Exactly. Cooking oil is obtained from plants. That means you can keep P. That means plants for P. Next, honey. Honey. From where the honey is obtained? Plants or animals are giving the honey. Yes, honey bees. That means animals. Next, chips, potato chips or items which are used for the, whether these are the sources of from where these potato chips obtained. Yes, you are right. Plants. Turmeric powder. That means in Telugu it is called turmeric powder. Whether plants or animals, whether it came from plants or animals. Yes, you are right. Plants. Salt. Plants will not give salt, animals will not give salt, but it is obtained from the sea water. So that only it is obtained from the others. Next, dough. Here, dough means flour. Flour, you all know that, right? Flour, maida flour, the dough. Dough, whether it is came from the plants or animals, yes, it's right. It came from plant. Meat, whatever it is, chicken, mutton, or whatever it is, whether it came from plants or animals, animals. Or rice, rice came from plants. Eggs came from animals. Sugar came from plants. Peanuts, here peanuts means peanuts are other name for groundnuts. Groundnuts or palli, or these are names of the peanuts. These are the other names for the peanuts. In the plants, we eat different parts like leaf of spinach and coriander plant, flower of cauliflower plant, fruit of tomato and drumstick plant. Table salt is a mineral and obtained from the sea. These are which are obtained from the plants and animals. Now we came to know that these are the sources of plants and animals.